gonna have to wake him up again. Wake, wakey, 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 wakey. One of your jobs every morning. Oh, they're still not awake. Wakey, wakey. Can't see you, can I? Wake those boys up. Cheeto, Cheeto, wake them up. You don't have any cattle to herd, but you got some kids to herd. He's gonna go wake up Kara again. Wake her up. Wake the boys up now. Come on, they're still asleep. They're still asleep.
Hey.